Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily remove Google search bar from your home screen on Android. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also put your likes under the video, write comments. And let's go ahead friends, you and I will get down to our topic. So, if you have Google search bar on your Android device, it looks like this. And let's say it's interfering with the way you use your Android, or you don't need it. There is a very simple way that you can remove it, or you can remove it. For this, friends, you just need to long press on the search bar, that is, press and hold. That's the way to do it, press and hold. At the bottom, you'll either have it say delete or you'll see a trash can sign that says delete. And you'll just have to click right here to delete. And as you can see, right away instantly that kind of Google search bar, it's deleted. Friends, this is the very simple and quick method to easily remove Google search bar from your home screen on Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to put your likes. Take care, friends.